choo. There's my train, my engine I bought yesterday. It's got a 21 horse twin cylinder Briggs & Stratton. It's got the cow guard on it. Knock stuff off the tracks. Whatever gets in the way, gonna get knocked away. Looks like it needs a brace, maybe. Got some pipes over here for the steam. Headlight. I don't know what this light's all about. I guess maybe a train had them on. I'll make it flash red off and on, that red one. And then it's got a train whistle on it right here. I didn't know it even had it when I bought it. But it makes a whistle noise. Then it makes an engine noise, like. Makes a couple different whistles, I think. I had it running yesterday, but it ain't all hooked up yet. This thing needs a new battery. It's on a pretty good sized tractor. I don't know what the tractor. It's a Husky, but it's got a 14-speed on the go. It's got a high and low transmission like setup down in there. It needs a solenoid on it. I did cross it over and it started. I got it running yesterday. It ran pretty good. I was surprised how good it ran. So now I just need to fix a little bit of the little stuff on it. That's the train. I got 5 cars. It could pull more probably, but it's got 5 of them that came with it. Woo-hoo. Alright, that's the train so far. We'll do some more videos on it later. I want a tractor with a high loader on the front of it, yeah! That's what I want. I want a tractor with a high loader on the front. This is my, side. God damn it. I broke the camera. I didn't break it. I'm still recording. Woohoo! This is my second trip to town. Well, I live in town, but I gotta go to a different town because our town don't do nothing. I done spent $50-some on a hydraulic line for my tractor. So now I gotta go get another one. That's alright though. That's part of being in business. I gotta buy hydraulic lines. see what else I got. I got my new project going on. My choo-choo train. My choo-choo train. I got the motor running and it runs pretty good. I need to put a solenoid on it, I think. There's a little solenoid that's not working. Got to cross it over and then it's working. But I think I got one on my junkyard. My lawnmowers I got out there. I got to run up here. It's about 8 miles. So O'Reilly's, because they build hoses. And they'll build me a hose. It wouldn't be so bad, but I got one fitting. This one here has the same fitting that costs $30. Because it's got a pipe on it that bends. But I need it on this part because I don't want it sticking out and something hitting it. This runs underneath my tractor and into my valve body. On my, no, it ain't my valve body, but into my pump area on my tractor. So that's it. I'm going to get me a hose. Maybe I'll get back with you and I'll show you what I'm putting it on when I get back. Ooh. Oh, open her up, baby. Just got out of the O'Reilly's. Got my $75 hose. The other one was 50 bucks, but it wasn't very long. This one was 3 foot long and it cost me $70-some. The other one was a foot long. It was actually a little longer than a foot, but he said, I only charge you a foot on the other one. It's the 5,000 PSI hydraulic line. So, I'll see you at the house putting it on. I'll show you what I'm putting it on. Alright, back. Them neighbors still mowing his yard. I guess I better put this thing on it. Well, where's my keys? Must be in the hot rod. Well, now I'm getting a little worried. Did I drop my keys up there? Damn it. Hopefully they're in the house. Hey. Shop's a freaking disaster. Haven't had time to clean up. Let's see here. Must have my wrenches outside somewhere. This place is axe. This stupid thing on here. I can never get it started. A little extra protection. Dang. What the hell? There. Get any mail, lady? No. What? I'm wrapping my hose with this wrap.
Show's on.
What show?
Happy Days.
It ain't on yet, is it?
You can always watch it on YouTube.
It won't take a second to put this on. Hey, I'll be in there in 5 minutes. This is taking longer than it is to put the hose on. Bam ramp. If I can find my damn wrenches. It fits tighter. This hose feels like it's bigger around than the old one. Oh yeah, she's almost there. Sweet. Let's put this baby on. Let's go see where it goes. Going on my tractor. I gotta go in here and put my fitting on first. It's easier to do it in there with a vise. Hello everybody! I know where my wrench is. It fell down here somewhere a while ago. I don't see it. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here. This pipe, I don't think I need anything. Scoot on here, little fella. Get on there. Whoa. Put it in the vise. Can you see the vise over there? I need to fix my camera situation. Yeah. Good enough. That's gotta be tight enough. Ridiculous. There's my wrench I'm looking for. There she is. I don't think I need this one. I might need this one. Okay, back to the tractor. Let's go put this baby on. Okay. I'm in a hurry because I want to go watch Happy Days. It's already started. I'm missing it. Somebody put one on before. It's too long. It's rubbing. I hope it ain't leaking. Let me put you on the axle here. Up in there's where it's going. Dang. Feed it down in there. It's going right there. I think that's tight enough. I don't like the way this one here. I don't like the way this one here is rubbing on everything. I have to look at that. This goes up here like this. Hooks into this. I'm gonna start it up and see if she leaks. Hydraulic fluid went down just a little bit, but it's still up pretty good. Jump down here and see if we got any leaks. Good to go. Keep an eye on them all. Check them after they're here for a while. It stays rattling around. We're ready to move some brush. It was a little bit of an expensive breakdown, but 2 hoses for $130. I think I could have got them cheaper somewhere else, maybe. 130 bucks is pretty high. I have to try Tractor Supply. They got some already made ones. They probably wouldn't have had that size though, but it's alright. They're probably pretty good hoses. Now I'm going to use some Purple Power hand cleaner. Clean my hands up a little bit before I go in the house. But that's part of it. Sometimes you gotta fix your equipment. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Purple Power! Get this grease off my hands. I need another rag. Ah, there's a rag. There's one that's a lot cleaner than that one. Alright. I got a tree and brush job here in town. I'll make my money back and a little bit more, pay for my hoses. I got new hoses though. Hopefully those hoses will last a lot longer. I mean, the ones I took off look like they were original. The tractor's about 13 years old, I think. Something like that. Actually, it's almost 20. It's 20 years old. This no, it won't be 20-year-old until I think it's a 2013 or 14. So anyway, got my tractor fixed, ready to rock and roll, load some brush. Tomorrow, here in a few days, I might see if I can shove. I got a tree to cut down. I'm gonna see if I can knock it over. I'll have a video of that. So, oh, one more look at the train. Choo-choo train. I don't know what to name my engine. I'm gonna name it something. Put my sign on the side of it, or a number. I might just be engine 316. Adios.